Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
North Carolina Tar Heels men's basketball coach Roy Williams announced his retirement Thursday after 33 seasons as a Division I head coach. Williams, 70, won 3 NCAA tournament titles at North Carolina, his alma mater, and finishes his career with 903 victories, third all-time.
Take our lead.
18 seasons. Williams has spent 18 seasons at UNC, going 485 to 163 while leading the Tar Heels to national titles in 2005, 2009 and 2017. He also coached Kansas for 15 seasons, taking it to 4 Final Four appearances before leaving for his alma mater.
Make your mark, take our lead.
D'Angelo. Roy Williams retired because of changing basketball culture. And while Williams clearly cited the game's changing landscape for his decision, at least 2, and likely all 4, do not expect to join him full-time on the golf course anytime soon.
Take our lead.
With Williams announcing his retirement Thursday at age 70, after winning 3 national championships and succeeding brilliantly in continuing the legacy of his mentor, Dean Smith, does North Carolina keep it in the family yet again?
Take our lead.
Hubert Davis, North Carolina assistant coach Roy Williams' successor, may be right next to him. Hubert Davis left ESPN to become an assistant coach 9 years ago, and many feel he was being groomed for this moment.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.